Okay, guys. So I've had a few of you guys ask me how I built my new steering column and how I use my vacuum pump. Basically, I got the vacuum pump set up on my core support. I run Canon air filter off of it as a breather, and just basically 5/8 heater hose up to a T and one to each valve cover. And do some breathers that I've took the foam and stuff out of so it can breathe a little easier. Now on the steering column, I put a heavy duty U-joint here at the gearbox. I basically used the factory slip shaft. So that it still slides. You know, I welded a piece of 3/4 inch D-rod into that end, to the end by the gearbox. Actually, I flipped this, it's around backwards. I think the slip shaft part of it was actually down here to begin with. Now I have it up here. Give me a little more room for header clearance. But you can see it still moves nice and free. I took it all apart, cleaned it out inside, and, you know, put 2 double D shafts, U-joint on this end. Okay, and here I made a plate so that I could put a bearing support in it. Just put it in the factory location. You're probably wondering why this is here, but this has got it's got 2 different, one here and one over here. It's got 2 set screws in it, which I kind of like because then I could just take this and loosen that up when it's time to move the headers or anything like that. Whoop, slide the shaft right back up in the truck. Stays there, no problem, you know. Or you put it back down. Now to hook these U-joints up, I took, let me get this back out real quick. You can see there, I drilled a hole all the way through one and notched the side, either side, so that this longer bolt can go all the way through and lock down, and the short one's got something to lock into on the shaft. Okay, and then inside I got, here's the plate I made with a bearing. Just run double D up to a Heim joint that I made a plate for and put it in the factory, basically in the factory location. Just made a plate up into here, welded it to the factory's steering column mount, and then just put my Heim joint in, made it adjustable to where I needed it. Come out to a quick release and grab my wheel. Oh, so that's that. Yeah, I'm been steady working on it. So, but like I said, now this way I don't have turn signals yet. I just wired up the brake lights and to the back to the brake pedal, put headlights and taillights in, stuff like that. So, but hope that helps. Bye.